Thank you for your participation in this UUA kickoff meeting hosted by Utsunomiya University on Zoom. The formal name of the Inter-University Exchange Project is Support for Formation of Collaboration Programs with African Universities Program for Developing Human Resource to contribute to SDGs by merging African potentials and Japanese scientific technology. I, Kumiko Sakamoto, Associate Professor of School of International Studies, Utsunomiya University, will be moderating the meeting. Prior to our agenda, I would like to make a few announcements. Your participation is based on the agreement that the kickoff meeting will be recorded by the organizer and publicized later. Please do not make your own recording of this meeting. All participants except speakers and invited executives should turn off the camera and microphone unless otherwise requested. Only the presenters should have their microphone on when you are making the presentation, and everyone else should be on mute. The kickoff meeting will be only presentations. Questions or comments should be conveyed to your representative of your institution later or through the contact email indicated in the home page. Please change the displayed participant name to the abbreviation of your affiliation and your name. For example, UU Suzuki Ichiro, and then UU is Utsunomiya University. Names of invited executives of each university will be briefly introduced before the university presentation. When you are invited, please turn on your video at the but at the time of the presentation, you can turn off the video so only the presenter's video is on to decrease the load on internet connection. At the end of the meeting, we will take a group photo of gallery view by screen capture, so please turn on the video at that time. Nonverbal reaction symbols are very welcome. Before we start our agenda, I would like to send my deepest condolences to our friends in Tanzania and Africa for the loss of late Marhem President John Magufuli. Poleni sana. May his soul rest in peace. We now start our agenda with a welcoming speech by our new president of Utsunomiya University from 1st April, Dr. Tsukasa Ikeda. Please, Dr. Ikeda.
Thank you, Chairman. Hello, everyone. Now, 7 p.m. in Japan. How about your country? Anyway, let's start. So, especially distinguished guests and professors from 6 African universities. Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology, Kenya. Meru University of Science and Technology, Kenya. Addis Ababa University, Ethiopia. University of Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Nelson Mandela African Institution of Science and Technology, Tanzania. And University of Ghana, Ghana. I am Tsukasa Ikeda, now Vice President of Utsunomiya University, and going to be the new president from this April. So, on behalf of Utsunomiya University, I'm very delighted to welcome you to participate to the program for developing human resources to contribute to SDGs by merging African potential and Japanese scientific technology. The original project, Inter-University Exchange Project, was started in 2011 by Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, Science and Technology of Japan with the aim of supporting efforts for international educational cooperation with universities in the target countries and regions. Since the recruitment for the 2020 project was targeted at Africa, Utsunomiya University applied along with the above 6 African universities. So finally, it is very honored that our application was adopted in fierce competition. Our program developing human resources to contribute to SDGs by merging African potential and Japanese scientific technology is aimed to develop highly specialized professionals who can understand the social structure and potential of local communities in Africa. They can construct high productivity agriculture, including a system of distribution, processing, and sales, and also they can contribute to the sustainable development of Africa and Japan. The program will be conducted in the educational programs based on the graduate schools of 6 African universities and the graduate school of the Regional Development and Creativity Utsunomiya University, which is centered on education and research of literary fusion and enables challenges and creativity. In addition, we will aim to foster global human resources who can play an active role internationally and strengthen the ability to expand university education globally, and while ensuring the quality of higher education, we will strategically accept African and Japanese students. And finally, we will develop human resources who can contribute to SDGs based on this program. I hope that the continuous development of this program with the cooperation of 6 African universities and Utsunomiya University will eventually further strengthen the partnership between African countries and Japan. Thank you very much again for joining today and collaborating in this program. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ikeda. Mr. Tetsuro Yano, President of Association of African Economy and Development and ex-Senior Vice Minister of Foreign Affairs, to congratulate us in this occasion. Mr. Yano, who was born in Utsunomiya, is excited about the new relationship between Utsunomiya University and university in Kenya, Ethiopia, Tanzania, and Ghana, utilizing its scientific achievements for international collaboration. Africa, Africo also has its own academic relationships with universities in Kenya, Tanzania, and an institution in Ghana. Mr. Yano is giving us a blessing for a fruitful project and is there to support us if necessary. We thank Mr. Yano for his warm message. I would also like to introduce one more important guest, Ms. Yuka Okazaki from JICA, a Partnership Program Division. Ms. Okazaki, if you don't mind, can you turn on your video? Um, Thank you very much. Thank you so much for participating with very short notice. Thank you.